Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, the place where we make art fun and easy for you. Today, we have something deliciously creative in store for you. Are you ready to draw and color a healthy fruits plate? Great! Let's get started. To begin, grab your trusty black marker and a blank page. We're going to create a masterpiece filled with yummy fruits. Let's start by drawing a cute apple. Make a nice, round shape for the apple, just like this. Now, let's add a juicy slice of watermelon. Draw a semicircle like this. Next, draw a pair of cherries. They look like two small circles with stems. Now, add a bunch of grapes. These are like little ovals grouped together. And for our last fruit, draw a banana. It's a long curved shape with a stem at the top. Now, let's draw a plate for all our delicious fruits. Make a big circle for the plate. Time to add a knife on one side and a fork on the other. Be careful with those sharp lines. Make sure to go over your lines one more time to make them bold and sharp. This will make your artwork stand out. Now that our drawing is complete, it's time to bring it to life with some colors. Let's color the apple red. Fill it in nicely, just like this. Color the watermelon bottle green, light green, and red for that juicy look. Fruits give you energy, make your skin glow, and help keep you strong and fit. When you eat fruits, you're giving your body vitamins and minerals that help you grow big and strong. Now, color the cherries. Eating fruits isn't just delicious, it's super healthy for you too. Color the grapes in a pretty purple color. Make them look vibrant. Yellow is the perfect color for our banana. Let's make it bright and cheerful. Color the center of the plate sky blue. They can even keep those sneaky cold bugs away. So, remember to munch on your favorite fruits every day. And the sides in a lovely shade of orange. And the best part is, fruits come in all sorts of colors and flavors. Finally, color the knife in a cool blue shade and the fork in a delightful pink color. And there you have it, your very own healthy fruits plate. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.